friends, this is Srivastal. Today we are doing the surface tension. A surface tension is a phenomenon. The liquid tends to shrink into the minimum surface area possible. Do you notice the mosquito can float on the water? This is because surface tension of the water. Now I am going to do some interesting experiment which exhibits how surface tension works in real world. In this experiment we need plate. In this plate I already filled with water, paper powder and dishwashing liquid. Now I will sprinkle the paper powder on the water. See, it spreads. See, the paper powder is floating on the water. Now I will disturb the surface tension of the water using dishwashing liquid.